Welcome back to Smart Crypto Guide. Have you for instance wondered what people mean when they say something is centralized or decentralized in crypto? These are central concepts that are ever present: blockchains, exchanges, apps, and even in finance. But what do they really mean? And why should the focus shifts back to you? So, in this video we will explain these in a manner so simple that now, for once, makes sense the different risk that exists between centralized and decentralized, aka and distributed, systems. Let's get started. Let's start with centralized. A centralized system is one where a single authority or organization controls everything. A business, government, or a server admin can join in. Picture the concept of a bank. When you deposit money, who really controls it? Tutors Inc., aka the bank, Tutors Inc. They approve you, then store your records, and also perform additional functions like constructing variables. If the bank goes offline, you lose access to everything. And social media. Take Facebook or Instagram for example. These are examples of one-entity-controlled platforms. They have complete authority on what content is permissible. They have the power to cancel your account as well. Such systems are incredibly fast, easy to manage, and efficient. Yet, there is something critically dangerous about putting too much control into one person's hands. Let us shift our focus to decentralized systems. This means no singular individual or company is at the helm. Instead, control is shared among a large number of people, or computers, nodes. Take Bitcoin for instance. Imagine a scenario where there's no CEO of Bitcoin and no central office. Thousands of computers around the globe figure out transactions to give real control to a central office. A single computer failing won't cripple the system. That makes it trustless, permissionless, and next to impossible to shut down. More freedom, privacy and security is a plus, but it can be difficult to govern, complex to use, and slow. Let us analyze the two concepts defined above using some primary examples. Centralized exchanges. Binance or Coinbase. These platforms let you purchase and trade crypto as long as they are operated by companies. If they freeze your account, your funds are among the frozen assets. Decentralized exchanges. Uniswap or PancakeSwap. These platforms have no middlemen and direct intermediaries. Trading is done straight from one's wallet, and no one can obstruct or veto the trade. Or consider finance. Traditional bank, centralized. These are controlled by a single entity. No one is allowed to open an account or carry out large transactions without prior approval. DeFi, decentralized finance. With just an internet connection, anyone can effortlessly lend, borrow from others, or even earn some interest, and all this without any bank permission. So, what is superior? Decentralized or centralized? It relies entirely on your personal concerns. Let us simplify it in a few points. Centralized advantage: more user-friendly, greater speed of transaction. Customer support. Centralized disability. Reduction of individual privacy, greater chance of censorship, higher risk of failure. Decentralized pros: greater control, more freedom, less chance of censorship, open freedoms to anyone, anywhere. Decentralized cons: service may be slower, absence of customer service, higher burden falls on the user. While saying this, we are risking the chances of getting lost with sole sovereign control or bank-like risks. In conclusion, centralized systems are akin to modern cities, organized and efficient, but also controlled. Decentralized systems are closer to open-source communities, chaotic, but fair and equitable. With the growth of crypto, there is a movement of shift from central control to decentralized innovation. Recognizing this difference is essential for understanding blockchain and Web3 technologies. If this video helped clear up this concept, please like and subscribe, and share it with someone new to crypto. Smart Crypto Guide here. I'll see you in the next video.